Welcome back. So glad you're with us this morning. We're getting you fit like a pro athlete without all the pain. KUSI's fitness expert Cindy Whitmarsh joins us with a trainer who works out with superstar athletes like Laker Kobe Bryant. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Yes, the #1 complaint that my clients have all the time is low back pain and sciatic pain. And I have that too. I complain about it all the time. So I'm so excited today to introduce you to Dan Selstad, who works with active release therapy, helps people all over the place with their injuries. So Dan, give me a little synopsis of how that works.
Well, active release therapy is a type of treatment that involves deep tissue therapy with active motion and stretching at the same time. It's the active motion that helps really break down the scar tissue that develops over a long period of time. Those injuries can occur from either acute injuries or just repetitive strain over a long period of time. Athletes are much more prone to it just by the activities that they do throughout the day, but it happens to everybody else.
All of us normal people as well.
Exactly.
All right, well, let's get started. Show me the first technique.
Okay, the first one I'm going to work on is the hamstrings. All of these treatments that I'm going to show you right now are usually involved with low back pain. The hamstrings and the glutes and the hip flexors are all muscles that are involved in the core that help stabilize the spine. And all of these muscles, with athletes or regular people, can tighten up. And what I'm trying to do is break up any of the scar tissue that develops that shortens the muscle. When the muscle's in a shortened position, it leaves it much more prone to being injured.
And I know I have sciatic pain, so is this technique right here helpful for that?
This is one of them that does that. Now, what I'm going to have you do is turn on your side facing that way. And the sciatic nerve runs from the back, and then it runs through the hip here, and then down the leg. A lot of times it can get caught right up in here into two different muscles. One's the glute and one's in the piriformis. So what we're going to try to do is draw the muscle that way, and I'm trying to let the nerve slide through the muscle, because sometimes the muscle entraps the nerve, and that's what can cause the pain down the leg.
So how soon after somebody comes to see you are they going to be able to see results or to have a little relief?
It can happen really quick, and sometimes, depending on how long it's been there, a lot of times within 2 to 6 visits is the generalized.
And do they come weekly or?
Usually weekly.
Okay. So give me some exercises or some techniques on the ball that you do with individuals.
Okay.
So Ariana is a gymnast at UCLA and has been working with Dan for a while, right, Ariana?
Yes, about 6 years.
6 years. Okay. So what is this working here?
Right here, this is called the erector spinae. These are the major stabilizers of the low back, and these are the ones that a lot of people will feel a lot of their pain in. This occurs usually when a lot of the other muscles are involved also, with the hips. And what happens, the adhesions form in the muscle, and it doesn't allow the muscle to relax the way that it should. It's more like the muscles are like this when they should be like this. So we're trying to run a comb through it and let the muscles contract and relax the way that they should.
How is your therapy different than other therapies?
Well, the movement is what really differentiates it between the other treatments. Most other treatments are passive, and that's why this is called an active release. So what I'm trying to do is, with the movement, that helps isolate every different muscle that I'm trying to work on, because every part of the body has different layers of muscle.
So what other types of injuries do you work with?
Everything from headaches to carpal tunnel to low back pain, tendonitis, rotator cuff tendonitis, neck pain, and a lot of nerve entrapment injuries.
So, Dan, you're at Performance Care in Solana Beach, right? So I know people are going to be really excited to log onto the website and see all of the information. And again, we can download the exercises that we've done today. And so for more information about Dan and active release therapy, go to our KUSI website at KUSI.com. Dan, thanks so much for being with us today.
Welcome.
And back to you guys.
Very impressive, Cindy. I have to say, there are so many people dealing with these types of pain. And he explained it so well, how he gets in there and detaches. Just wonderful.
Yes, I know he's worked with lots of clients of mine as well, and he's had some real great success with people. So active release therapy, it's something to check out.
I'm sure a lot of people will. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.